Why hello cutie patooties, we hope you're well. Join us on our second day on the Ha Giang Loop, where we go deep into the mountains and close to the Chinese border. This is such an epic journey and we love to share this with you. Love it. Morning, love. How you doing?
Yeah, good.
You sleep well?
Yeah. About these views.
No, it's been awesome. The most beautiful over this little bit over here. But boy, it's nice. It's so peaceful here. No noise. Slept really, really well. And also, well done karaoke crew last night. Smashing out the tunes. It was awesome. But yeah, what a nice adventure. And then I think today, after breakfast, we're going to go see some big flag monument. I don't know. Wait and
see how far we get, eh?
But what a good day. Highly recommended. Day number 2. This road's here yesterday. How do you feel?
Oh my god, morning. I feel well rested. It's been a lovely night. And to wake up with these views, wow. It's nice.
Ready day 2.
Ready for it.
Hello. Oh, wow. That is
your
the
favourite
ideal breakfast.
pancakes
And the coffee now.
Good morning, and we're off again. We had a really good night's sleep in a lovely homestay and a nice breakfast as well. And now we're off to the next point. We're halfway through going back up the mountain until we reach, well, other mountains. We're gonna go to like a curvy bit, which is supposed to be really beautiful. So we're really looking forward to that, and hopefully we'll get some nice footage on drone.
Hey bye people, so when you are driving these bikes up here, it's really, really important, always I stay either in 3rd, 2nd gear, and also when you're going around corners, always make sure that you're beeping your horn so you know what's coming around the corner in case there's a big lorry, because they enough go fast around these bits. So yeah, just be careful, take it nice and slow, and that's your bike safety from Raven Monkey.
Now that we have the first day behind us, we both feel more confident on the bike and we know we can easily do this. As we mentioned in the last video, you see many easy rider tours around and most people are half our age. As we start the second day, we're here to tell you you can easily do this in your 40s and beyond, depending on your health and fitness.
If you don't know, an easy rider means you go on the back of a bike of a tour guide and they will drive you. So you don't have to do anything, you just sit back and enjoy the ride. Also, it's a great way to help out the local business.
What do you make of these rock formations?
Pretty amazing. I imagine they look volcanic to me, but they're all like in points, and it is really interesting. It's like, how on earth did that get there many moons ago?
Ready to go on our little motor? Where are we going, Phil? Up to the north.
Up to the north.
Phil never knows where we're going, but that's okay. He focuses on driving and I find us the way. I sometimes don't get it right, but we always make it to the end.
These, I was saying to Pat, the mountains just look like sleeping dinosaurs. All their big like arched backs and their large tails. It's a very mystical place, I've got to say. We're going onwards and upwards, 1st and 2nd gear. We can do it. Can we do it? Of course we can. Let's go. Raven crew. Oi oi. Here we go. Day number 2. And I can literally do this all day long. A little bit like Indiana Jones exploring new worlds. Wouldn't that be cool? Beats teaching, I'm sure, that's for sure. But here we go, let's go and get some exploring. It's a lot colder up here, a lot colder today and not so much sunshine, but it's perfect driving conditions for me. And I've just got to literally watch out that I don't land down any potholes because there's not much of the road, so there you go. But let's go and adventure, let's go! People drive around here literally like it's Clapham Junction. The guy, beep, 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 vroom. He's going the speed like you wouldn't believe it. It's like they're in a hurry to go somewhere really fast. People drive like nuts around here, so keep one eye open. But the locals are lovely.
Keep both eyes open, please.
Yeah, not like that. Drive one eye. Thanks for fun experience though.
We take quite a lot of breaks, either at viewpoints or by the side of the road if we feel it's safe. The views are spectacular, and to enjoy them properly, it's nice to have a quiet moment by the road, especially for the driver.
The greenest, juiciest, morning glory. What a morning.
For the glory.
Hey people, so another really good tip when you're on these bikes, always when I'm driving, I'm always looking at the floor because there's so much debris on the floor, like little stones and little bits of like charcoal and stuff, and stay away from the corners. So I always want to try and stay in the middle. It is a lot of concentration because at the end of the day, if I find a big hole and go through it, Pat's going to feel the brunt of it. So yeah, safety first, eh? And take it nice and slow.
At this point, we didn't even realize we were driving up the famous Tham Ma Pass, which is a particularly beautiful curvy road on a mountain. Made it halfway through the day.
Feels like we made it to Kilimanjaro. A lot of people here. The weather has been absolutely beautiful.
Stunning.
I've seen a lot of videos in this place before. So people go through and with the raining and the rain max, and it is literally like summer in London.
No, this is another world here. Absolutely amazing.
It's crazy, isn't it? The amount of scenery we passed today, it's endless.
Yeah.
Any corner you turn, it's just another giant, beautiful landscape.
Really fortunate,
We
definitely.
get Pat to do a little Bob Ross painting when we get back.
We try.
Well done, Super Troopers. Yeah, I didn't really even realise what was going up here. It's been it's more strenuous yesterday than today. Today's not too bad. The roads are a bit better, and driving up here is so nice. With Pat on the back, singing. We were doing a bit of singing, so happy days.
Okay guys, it's no joke, within a minute and a half of leaving that place, the temperature dropped like 5 degrees. I think we need to pull over so I can put my jumper on. But this is absolutely incredible. What contrast. At our last stop, some locals were selling souvenirs and clothes, and I got myself a little scarf, which I only realized afterwards was the best thing I could have gotten.
The lazy riders, or the lazy boy riders, they should actually have lazy boys on the motorbike, then they would be proper lazy boy riders, I feel. But we haven't got long left now. We've only got about an hour and 20 minutes, Patty was saying. So we just follow the road now, and then we are at our last destination. And then it's put your feet up, relax, and take it easy, I think, because it's been a long old day on the bike. And then find accommodation for tomorrow evening. It'll be the last one until we complete the whole loop, which will be interesting, to say the least. It's what an adventure. I'll definitely want to come back and do something like this again. It's just been amazing. See the completely different way of life. This part of Vietnam, and so close to China as well. But for me, number one has to be all this.
Come on, first and second gear. This little motorbike is a beast. Come on, let's go, second gear. If you enjoy riding a bike, I'd recommend getting a bit more of a powerful one. As much as we loved our semi-automatic, whenever we went uphill, which was a lot, we would have loved to have a bit more oomph. Pat and I would love to do this again, but definitely with a different bike. It's chilly up here. Nearly there now.
The last 2 hours of the journey were breathtakingly beautiful. At this point we were pretty chilly, but it didn't stop us from enjoying the ride. Done it.
Oh yeah.
How are you feeling?
$1 million, that was pretty amazing. Hard work, but amazing. Wow, look at this! You got one bed for you. Oh man, we're having a bed each. There's no cuddling tonight. I'm having that one, you're having that one. Holy moly, what an adventure. Super nice. And I think, Chance the lady said there's a really nice viewpoint here, so we're going to see that tomorrow. But this is really nice, isn't it? It's like a little log cabin
It is,
in the Alps. We've got a little place to have tea, we've got coffee.
Furniture, cosmetics, food stains or any other items. Do not use the towels for anything other than your body or your hair. The fact that they had to say this means people definitely do this kind of stuff.
And you know it is, I bet it's the Germans.
Hey!
I'm only joking, any German viewers, I didn't mean it, I'm only saying it because Pat is from Deutschland.
Because
Where is she?
He likes to tease me.
Digga 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 digga, look how small you are. You're like Kleiner Spender on alcohol and Drogen.
Had a hot shower, wash my hair.
And the best bit of the day was?
Oh, the views! I mean, it's unbelievable. There's an area in China that has all these hills. I've always wanted to go there. I don't have to go there anymore because they have them here. Probably because we're right next to China. And, you know, these countries don't know borders. Humans put the borders, but it is absolutely stunning. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Do you want to tell us what happened before dinner?
Oh, just sat down, just about to order some food, and then I looked at the restaurant menu, and as I pointed, this whopper rat ran across the floor, and unfortunately Pat saw it, so I thought there's no chance we're going to be sitting in here, and I was just like, oh, we have to go, and then we quickly scattered out of this place, but it was big. Ooh,
It just sends a shiver through you when you see something like that. So poor Pat. I wouldn't have minded because you're only a couple of steps away from a rat anyway. But when you see one in a restaurant, yeah, it's not the best. But we're not going to say which one, but yeah, puts you off. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this is going to want to make you get on that bike and do that Ha Giang Loop. Until the next time, day 3.